with us on a shopping trip. Let's go. But first, let's have some coffee.